It feels like a watercolor painting come to life. Located in southern China, the city of Guilin is world-renowned for its dramatic karst mountains and the serene Li River. As you drift down the Li River by boat, it's like gliding through a dream, surrounded by emerald peaks, mist-covered hills, and reflections dancing on the water. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, every moment in Guilin feels like a masterpiece. Here, nature speaks softly, and every scene lingers in the heart like a timeless poem.